In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can resize an image in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Paint. Click on Microsoft Paint under the best match. Now we just need to simply insert an image first. So click on File, click on Open. And here I'm going to go with this image. Click on Open. Okay, so we have this image right now. So in order to resize it, we just need to simply look at the symbols and options on the top and we can find this one, resize and skew. So click on that. Now you could have this for percentage or for pixels, but let us go with pixels and simply click on this button, maintain aspect ratio, so that it will not maintain its aspect ratio. And then simply change it from here depending on your preference. Now let me go with this one. And I'm just going to click on OK. And that's it. That's how you can resize an image. And then go back to it, pixels, click on it. Going to make this 500. This one is 400 and click on OK. And that's it, okay? So that's how you can easily resize an image in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.